Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, look at the total market cap, check out my trades, and I'm going to show you the overall market, and we're going to look on crypto Twitter/X what's happening in relation to crypto. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. You're watching my crypto journey on these YouTube channels for the last 4 years. I've been in the market since 2012 mining Bitcoin, and you can see what I do with my money. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Going into the technicals, and you can see this is the overall market. We did really well today actually, which is beautiful. Pocket up 9%, Solana 7%, CIS 5%, IOTA 4%, Doge 3%. God damn, I'm a good trader. Sorry, shouldn't say God's name in blasphemy. 9%. Good job, everyone. Whoa, crazy. Bitcoin is now pulling back a little bit, but still up 1% today. 62,077. Wow, look at these formations. If you've been following my videos, this is my original drawings on the charts going back to 2020 on derivatives Bybit. So this is my patterns and what I've been seeing over the last almost 4 years on these charts, on these videos on YouTube. If you've been watching, if you're new, I've been trading for 22 years and these are 4 years of these charts, Bitcoin charts every day on YouTube. This bar here represents 1 week. Volume still growing. When I know the bull market's over is when the Bitcoin volume starts to drop as it's going up. It's still pumping. The indicator bots we saw earlier this morning in the other video firing. Bull flag formed. It's just bull flag here, pump. Bull flag here, pump. Bull flag here, pump. And then we're this final bull flag before big correction, I guess. I was expecting on the third to fourth wave we should get a correction, but what's interesting is the correction's quite small like the rest of the time. It's starting to form another bull flag. If you go closer, you can see already clearly it's starting to form another bull flag. And this, I fully expect now this to happen. Everyone, I've been saying this. If you've been following my videos, I've been saying that I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. Why? Because the ETFs are buying billions of dollars a day of Bitcoin every day. These ETFs are not one guy with a crypto wallet. These ETFs are constantly buying up to $1 billion of Bitcoin every single day. And that's going to keep pushing the market up. It's going to keep putting buying pressure. And then we have the halving coming up in 2 months. So this is not, in my opinion, not going to pull back much. And I can clearly see already bull flag for me. So we're going to go another leg up on Bitcoin. Target of this move will be the base of the bull flag, as bull flags work, as you learn in the crypto master course. Number 2 in the description. You can go under the video. Number 2 in the description, and you can see the courses, the crypto master course. You can learn how to trade, and I'll show you later. So that's the distance I would assume. Next target for Bitcoin. 70% of the move should get a breakout, but it's already breaking out early, but the volume's slightly dropping off the last few hours. 69K would be the target of this bull flag. Stochastic turning up, volume coming in. Let's go into the hourly. Stochastic. It's already above this kind of trend line, right? You could say the trend line is there. Why? We have touch here, 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 here. So we're going to get a pullback possibly, because usually the bull flag will break out 70% of the move. So something like that should be the breakout. So the breakout happening 2nd of March 2024, 6 a.m. That's when I expect breakout. And I would take along of this. We have a lot of support here now. You can see a lot of support forming on Bitcoin already. Taking along from here, safe. This is a riskier one, but more likely to execute. The safer one would be taking the long from the bottom of this bull flag and this 59K super support that's now formed. This is the strongest support now in this area. Why? Because in the previous resistances, in previous bull market, these were strong supports. This is the riskier trade, but the more profitable one. This one would take a 64 risk to reward ratio, risking $151 per Bitcoin to make $9,700. So each Bitcoin you buy without leverage, you're risking 150 with the stop loss to make 9,700. Target would be 69K, 64 risk to reward. If you have 10x leverage, it's 97,000. If you have 100x leverage, it's $970,000 profit. It opens at 59,517, stop loss 59,366. Target 69, which is beautiful, all-time high, previous all-time high. It's going for, Bitcoin's about to go for the previous all-time high, everyone. And I've been, if you're in the Crypt Guru community, you've been riding the wave with me. If my buys on Bitcoin were amazing, we sold the ETF and then bought. You see those buys? Look at that, beautiful buys on Bitcoin. boom, at 38 I bought it after the ETF announcement, after we sold that 100k profit. My Bitcoin trade now up 1,278%, which is $157,885, plus I already took 8,000, so it's $166,000. This account is pumping 749,629 USD, 12 Bitcoin, up from 501 1 month ago. So it's up 249,000 this month, 248,000, which is beautiful. So again, if you think I'm trying to sell you things, I want you to learn. Go down below, exchanges that I trade on. Bybit gives you these bonuses. They give the courses. The Crypto Master course has the TA courses. You need to learn. If you haven't taken these courses, you're just gambling. Join the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in the Telegram. And over in the Telegram, you can see people. There's 249 of you online right now. And you can see everyone trading, sharing charts. This guy's seeing, Jasper is seeing a bull flag also, which is beautiful. This guy made 1,900% on spell, $1,900 spell. You can see their different gains. This is just today's chat. These are all real people. We have amazing mods and traders in here. So these aren't just scam comments. These are real people being moderated. The conversation, Jasper is one of the moderators. Source 510, you can follow him. He does crazy trades. And you can just see everyone in here sharing their gains and their ideas. James, what does this actually mean? I'm still learning. It means this is the price of XRP versus Bitcoin. So everyone's like, XRP army, XRP. But over time, XRP has just been getting completely annihilated against Bitcoin's price. So even if you bought XRP, you're still massively down compared to buying just Bitcoin. You would have just done a lot better if you just bought Bitcoin. That's my updates in the markets. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.